Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to sign up for a AdCreative AI account on your computer online. And now let's start right in. Now to create a AdCreative account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in the address adcreative.ai and hit on enter, and then you'll be redirected to the home page of AdCreative like this guys. And to proceed to register for an AdCreative account, first scroll down guys, and this tab will be available to you, whereas this tab won't be available to you directly on the home interface. So scroll down a little bit with your mouse, and after this tab appears, click on the register button at the top right corner of your screen. From over here you will have to begin your sign up process. In order to do that, enter your first name and your last name, and after that enter your email address with which you will be using your AdCreative AI. I will be going to this account. Enter your password over here, and again retype your password over here to confirm your password is matching. And you can see guys, and after entering your credentials like your name, your email, and your password, simply click on the sign up and get 10 free credits. And then you will have signed up for AdCreative AI account on your computer. But you will have to go through a verification process by going to your mail and opening the verification link sent by the AdCreative and clicking on the link to verify that you're a human. And to do that guys, and after you have clicked on the sign up and get 10 free credits, go to the verification process, and you will have created an account on AdCreative AI. And there guys, this is how you create AdCreative AI account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.